Anong tips that you can share to the readers when it comes to buying gadgets?
Number one, if you really need it. If you really need
buy it
gadget,
only when you...
Yes, buy it only if you like have to use it for something that if it has something to do with work, or if like me, I often do tapings a lot. So when I get bored, I can use this stuff to fill the dead time that I'm having. So
recreation.
Sa creation naman, I have research on what will you buy, and always have second options, and try to compare as often as possible. Kasi sometimes when you, like, let's say, with laptop brands, when you buy a laptop and then wala kang ginawang second choice and you bought it, and then you will see another laptop of the competition na mas maganda pala siya. So sometimes may feeling na ay sayang, dapat yun na lang yung binili ko. So comparison is also good, and also look at the specs, like on how big is the internal memory, how fast it is, the processor is number one, especially if it's Intel. So number one ang Intel talaga. So when it comes to processors, and also the quality and the reviews is important as well sa gadgets. Number one yung reviews, kasi you tend to see the comments of the people who bought it. So number one talaga siya. And then
pricey ba mas okay?
Kasi if you're really interested naman talaga in but you know the difference naman if it's overpriced. So price it also matters, but if the quality is equivalent naman to the price, it's
when it comes to buying
shoes, of course, number one, make sure it's your size. It's your size.
Anong size mo?
I'm a 10.
Wow, okay.
Yeah. And yung comfort, number one, comfort. Kasi if you buy shoes, for sure you're gonna use it for a long time. And when you wear it every day, you're gonna use it for the rest of the day. So try wag na kayo yung bibili ng shoes and then you will bring along with you like a slipper. Kasi if you feel masakit na sa paa, you change na. So yeah, yung comfort talaga is number one for shoes. And for rubber shoes naman, make sure it's matibay. And especially like Skechers, I've been with this shoes for like almost half a year na. So see the quality. And number one din kasi when you buy shoes, you have to take care of it. Like you clean it once in a while. If you have tapos mo nang gamitin, you have to store it and put newspaper inside so that
hindi
ma-deform. Kasi pag na-deform na yung shoes, mabilis magmukhang luma. So and try to have sa every shoes, try to buy like covers for storage.
Buying eyewear.
Normally pag shades like that one, especially look at the UV protection factor. Yung how much ultraviolet rays can it parang deflect. And then of course price. Price kasi yung shades naman, if you're a brand conscious buyer, you buy brands na worth it, pero hindi naman masyadong, kasi ako I'm cheap. I don't buy those kinds of stuff. I just give this particular shades for me kasi I want to reward myself for working so hard since day one of showbiz life. So as you can see, others are just gifts. And what else? Of course, the size and on how you want to use it. If you want to hide your eyes, if you lack sleep every night, you can buy bigger shades like aviators. Okay, so perfume, make sure it's you. Make sure you buy perfumes
that suits your character.
And makes you smell good talaga. Kasi sometimes yung may mga babango na sobrang tapang. Like, sa ilong, parang dadaan ka pa lang. Naku, ito na si ano. Make sure that if you buy perfumes, yung pag lumalapit ka pa lang, yun na may good vibes na. Hindi yung, ay, amoy ko na si ganyan, hindi na maganda to ang babango niya. So, yan. And then sa cosmetics, siguro medyo effort, kaya lang it's much better if you consult a dermatologist for kung anong makeup that suits your skin. Kasi we have different skin tones, skin texture, skin whatever. So I'm sure the derma knows better than us. So consult muna. But if you want, just buy yung brands with hypoallergenic factor.
Para safe.
You should number one like kung talagang you're really into it, like hindi mo siya bibilin for the sake of pagsasawaan mo rin eventually. Huwag ganun kasi that's a really bad attitude towards collecting stuffs, especially action figures. And of course, number one, if you buy action figures, never take it out of the box kasi it loses like a certain percent of its price.
What's it called? Mint condition?
Yes. Kasi when you take it out, it's like a car. Paglabas ng like let's say they call it kasa. Paglabas ng kasa, it loses like 40% of its value.
Nagde-depreciate
immediately. So yun, just keep in. When buying jeans,
what should you consider?
Consider the length of the jeans.
Okay.
Of course, length and the comfort as well. Number one, in every clothes, shoes, also shades, you always look for comfort. And don't...
Sa fabric. Mas gusto mo ba yung makapal or yung manipis na denim?
Personally, I like yung nakakahinga. Yung air can pass through. Kasi that's comfy. Thin. Not too thin. Kasi may baka sometimes pag too thin, it easily rips. So, just kasi jeans naman, maong jeans are like can go on forever.
Durable naman.
Durable sila. So, just look for quality. Of course, the texture of the pants matters. Also sa tops, of course, if it's a style, if you like long sleeves, like polo shirts or cotton shirts, it depends upon you as long as you feel like it and you're the one wearing it. Pag hindi po ako nakakapagtrabaho, nagkakasakit ako.
Talaga?
Siguro psychological effect. Kasi I'm used to lang I have 1 day free every week. Tapos the rest of the week will be work week. And then di po ako sanay na isa lang ang schedule a day. Buti na lang po my handler is good. My handler is really good with arranging schedules for me. And it benefits me and the network as well. So when it comes to financials.